How to repeat YouTube videos automatically. For that, open the YouTube app and make sure to log into your YouTube account. Now select the video that you would like to repeat automatically. Once you select the video, you have to scroll and tap on Save button. So now you have to tap on New Playlist button, and here you have to give a new playlist the title. Let's enter the replay title here and now tap on Create button. Now tap on See List at button, and as you can see that I have already saved this video. Now you have to open this video and you have to tap on two arrow icon at the left of the screen. By doing so, your videos on YouTube will repeat automatically. So that's how we repeat YouTube videos automatically. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.